God bless you all as you join me. Please, as you join, help me to share and invite someone. Invite someone. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you as you turn in. God bless you all. As you join me, help me to share, and invite somebody to join us. Invite friends, invite family to join us. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. God bless you. Invite somebody to join us. Invite friends, my loving people. Yes, amen. Hello, hi, sorry. Hi, God bless you all as you join me. Please help me to invite somebody, invite friends, invite family, please. Help me to invite someone, invite friends. Share to everybody, share. God bless you, God bless you. God bless you as you join me. I'm so sorry, I'm inviting somebody here. I'm so sorry. Just a minute. Please help me to do the same thing and let's start. Help me to do the same thing and let's start. Some of us, we are making a mistake. The mistake we are making, it doesn't worth it at all. It makes a lot of people to lose their home, lose their relationship, just because of self-confidence. Please help me to invite someone, invite somebody, my lovely people. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about some mistake. Hello, everyone. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to invite someone here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm inviting someone here so that many. Okay. I'm still inviting people here. Hello, my lovely people. Help me to share and invite somebody. I'm trying to do the same thing here, my loving people. God bless you. As we say, I'm inviting people. Help me to share. Invite as well, please. Stay with me. I'm not going to take much of your time. Please, I'm sorry. I'm inviting people here. Please, I'm sorry. Bear with me. I'm trying to invite people to join us. Bear with me. Please. I'm sorry. Please help me to share in WhatsApp. Share. Invite somebody to join us. Please. God bless you all. I think this is enough, so let's start. Hello, everyone. God bless you. Hi, sweetheart. How are you? Hi, sweetie. Help me to share and invite somebody. Thank you for joining. Us. God bless you. Help me to share and invite someone. Invite somebody, please. Please try to invite someone. I'm doing the same thing here. I'm sorry, I'm doing the same thing. I'm trying to invite people. Hey, hello, my lovely people. God bless you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for staying with me. God bless you. 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 God bless you as you join and stay with me. God bless you all. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining. Hi, my loving people. This is Mrs. Nwambudike. I bring greeting from my humble home. God bless you as you join. Some mistake that we married women relationship make because of self-confidence, because we did not trust ourselves. Talk less we trust our partner. We are too quick to judge. We cannot just say, let me listen, let me understand, let me watch what is going on. But for our action, we react for something that is not important. Ha. Welcome to our language. Hi everyone. God bless you as you join me. This is Mrs. Nwambudike. The humble woman. God bless you. I say I won't say for the mistake where we, most especially we will be women, they make for our home today, for our marriage house. The mistake where would they make? Because we don't trust our partner, we don't trust ourselves, and we they make that mistake. A lot of people they make her. A lot of married women they make her. Even in a relationship we they make her. And we feel say with that one way we they do, our home go stand. No, not being at all. You know, relationship where we they make today, our partner, both man or woman, they watch me today. God bless you all. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. The pace of the time you come across this video. God bless you all in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you for staying with me. Please help me to share. Invite somebody to join us as we talk this matter. God bless you. So my brothers and sisters, wetin we dey do today, because one of our sister will explain things to me, wetin make her home no happiness today. He say na mistake to her side, because she dey feel say if she dey do all those things, e go make her husband dey scare away from all these women. He no know say na mistake wey he want to lose the home. Na be that. Now come ask and say, my sister, wetin happen reach like that? He say yes. He say when he married her husband was so very lovely and he dey care for home, he dey care for the children, he dey care for her as well. So now I come say, wetin come be the matter? He say na so quarrel he with her husband come dey quarrel. Now I say, my sister, wetin happen? He say because in the thing say if you bomber to bomber, if you bomber man to bomber, you go dey fear you, and you no go get time for women. You no know say na the mistake of her life na it be that, because her husband be the type wey not like all those things. But she dey do am. Her husband dey complain before may she stop. She think say na that one na she want to hold her home. Now I come ask and say, my sister, wetin be that? He say anytime where her husband take go work, he say he know the time where her husband take dey close for work. But if her husband use 30 minutes or 1 hour take late, wey take come back, he go come dey vex, he go dey quarrel, he go dey fight am, he go dey do. Now her husband go dey tell am say all these things wey you dey do, e dey make me dey run away from home. Na it make me know, even sometimes if I close for work, I know they come back because of say you can't quarrel where you dey quarrel every time. You no understand, you don't know why you no trust am. He dey do everything by team, make you take trust am. You no say trust am. He don't tire. Now I come say, sister, wetin happen? He say her husband, if he leave phone, he go carry phone, take the check the kind of message when her husband they receive, or the kind of call we receive since where you take comot for house. He want try to know everything. He want try to check his husband pocket, how much wey dey her husband wallet before her husband comot for house, how much wey remain now if he come back. He want try to know everything about about her husband, and her husband say he no need this thing. He don't dey tell am say make he stop, he no gree stop. Nah, she don't even stop her now. Her husband not come be the same. His home not come be the same because of her stubbornness. He says sometimes now her husband not even dey come house. He said no even dey come house. If he even call am, he no dey carry. He say he don't talk all, he don't beg and he don't do everything, he don't even talk to them for the only complaint where her husband take dey complain say, no be say he no wan come house, but he know if he come house when he no get peace. He know if he come house where before he put something for ground, or maybe he get 50 euro for pocket, if he use 20 euro for inside, his wife go want make him know wetin he use that money to do. He no go fit do that one. Now I can't tell am say, my sister, you dey wrong there. Because not be say you dey follow man bomber to bomber, now that man no go fit give woman belle. Not be say you dey check that man information, now that man no fit do wetin he want to. A minute where that man tell leave, you can do anything. Even though una dey the same house, before you even give person where you rent one room for your house belle, you not gonna know. Now I say men, they need quiet time. That's the reason I bring this message to we today. Most especially we women. We women. We need to leave something we not very important. When we concentrate of what important. How can you as a woman or a man, you dey live like thief for your house? Eh? How can you dey live like thief for your house? For you to dey check, you carry your husband phone like this, you dey check him. You dey check the message where they dey. If your husband they come now, you go suffer dodge. That means you not trust yourself anymore. You can't dey live like thief for your house. Good afternoon. How are you? Thank you. You join me in my live video today. Where you can't dey? Favor. God bless you. I dey see you. So, my dear, how you as a woman, you can't dey live like thief for your house? You can't dey control your husband. Like say maybe your husband are your slave. You no go allow am do wetin he want do. My dear sister, now be the message when I can't give you as a woman or a man wey they do that thing. Before your wife come out for house, you go dey check her. You go dey know the time where you want to come. One thing I want to tell you today, say that your wife not be baby, not be 2 years. If they go anywhere, you know where they go. And you remember, say she na married woman. I don't see any reason where are you as a woman, you go there house, you go there check your husband phone, your heart no come relax. You want carry hypertension because say your husband come up for house. You think say na that one now your home want it last. My sister, you dey make a wrong mistake. And you dey drive that man away. Because you know, say a nagging woman, man no go fit stay with her. You know, sometimes we go they say, I don't know why my man they run. I don't know why he not they stay house. Most of the things where would they do, now they pursue that man away. Now they pursue, say that man not go fit stay with you. Because we shout, we nag too much. We talk to our husband like saying our slave, now our baby. It's not good, my brothers and sisters. Even you there will be man. Your wife go come out for house. You go the question her like say na baby na he be. Where you go, where you for they come. Like say you don't know where you they go. Like say you don't know direction. You they wrong. I bet a minute, my brothers and sisters. I bet. I'm so sorry, my love. I'm so sorry. So, your husband go dey house, he no go get peace. Because of say, even you will be the woman, you don't trust yourself. Your husband go come out for house, your heart go dey do boom. You go remember some moment you come out for where God put am. You go dey shoot, they come out. You go dey shoot, they come out. Oh God, oh, where you come there today? Where you come there? My dear sister, I can't announce to you, hypertension na your second name. Hypertension na be your second name. Because one thing when I need to tell you, you no go fit pamper man. You no go fit know where man they go. You no go fit put her for her say now if man tell you say you want go buy something for you, you know say they go Lagos. You no go fit tell her say make you sit down one place. Sit down there. Not be your pikin no. Even pikin where you born. If you tell her say make you sit down, they get up. I lie. I no lie. If they get up. My dear sister, concentrate on yourself. So women say they no go even fit take care of themselves because say that they think of one man. That they think for where you go or where you not go. Where you come or where you not come. For how long? You will kill yourself, oh? I'm just telling you. Now that fact be that. Because there is nothing where you go do where that man go fit stay in one place. The only harvest when I can't tell you, may you not destroy your home by yourself. May your husband not come see you or your man come see you or come they run away. You they scare her away, you go they pursue her away for where you dey. Not only prayer. Waiting they keep good home today, now be prayer. Not be say you check your phone. Now you go make you get good home. Not be that one. Or you know all you call, you know everywhere where you go. You know the time where you take clothes for work. Now go make you stay go make you stay get good home. Not be that one. If you want make man relate to you, you behave like a fool. Because now me they talk on today, any woman wey fit stay marriage long. You know say that woman a stupid woman because there are a lot of things we go dey stupid about. There are a lot of things we go dey blind about. You no go see and you no want see and you no want raise any call. You no want raise any alarm where may say people no go hear from her. A home, you know, they know they build down one day. If you want buy house now, you go buy land. If you want build house now, you go buy land. You go lay foundation. You go pour. You go do everything before you come to a home. Some women, if they una body, una no fit hold una house. But if you na see somebody now where they do sweetie, they go now, una hair go they bring fire. Una no know waiting that woman or waiting that man they pass through before they fit do sweetie for his house. Every small thing una go raise alarm. Every small thing una go raise alarm. Man come out, he no quick come back. Oh, now war. He quick still come back. Self now war. Una no go give him peace. Later on, now come they cry. Oh, he run leave me. Oh, he run leave me. Oh, he run leave me. Oh, my dear, you no go feel know wetin happen. Nobody where they put sugar for him. I can't talk say na bitter cane or na sugar cane you want take. Look at this sister now where you talk her own. You say me use and advise some people. Because this kind of a thing, they happen every day. Some women there, Nana, if now with her husband or boyfriend, they waka. If that man or he greet somebody, now whoa, why you greet her? Now your baby. You think say that one you want to do? Most of you way they do like this now husband they give 20 women belly. But una think say una wise. Una think say una be champion. Una want they bomber and to bomber. Una want they follow and they go. You want know where you go. You want know where you not go. My husband go there outside by this canter. Now your baby. I been at your toy. You the press and they go pom pom pim pom pim pom pim pom. Now remote control, now tell me where you want remote. Our women make una look here. If you want get good home, husband house, what do they call husband house? Marriage, you not be easy task. People where they marriage, if they tell you waiting that they bear for inside marriage, my sister. Marriage don't be the way where you looking for. As I say, na sweetie, na so it be for inside house. Be some of una no one year, una no one carry una hair come down. Whether na that cold way don't enter our hair before, now come they make our hair the color, I don't know. Now me they talk and say marriage what we they do for abroad, eh? If they pack all of us go Nigeria, eh? Mo will go do this thing exam of marriage. All of us go fail. We go fail. We go fail. Because some of us, I don't know wetin they worry us. Our head, eh, we no want to come down at all. Our head too hot. We no want hear at all. We dey look that our change where we get say na something. My dear sister, no be something. No matter anything where you get for this life, you must still answer sir for under man. Na man name now you go be here. Now you go be here. I do love this our sister. It was say na some people just now they go lie say na the man not good though. Na the man not know wetin happen because we know they know wetin dey happen. We know they know the time where the thing take come. We dey always the right. Who one can judge one the way come talk say na me wrong. You know dey. I so much love this our sister we give her story. Say her marriage spoil today. Now she now use her hand to spoil her. But she is praying to God. Say she don't realize her mistake. May her husband come back home. We go talk say we not see good make day. You wait they talk say you not see good man not day. What you good? If you good, you go know say good man they outside. Some of us now they use our hand till they destroy. Or you as a man there you say good women not there. Europe good women not there. You as a man you good. I be not be waiting you get now you go give. You want go borrow. You know go borrow for outside. You see some men today they'll say that they go work. You come meet woman for house. Your children is okay. Your home is okay. You know they come house now say she come make trouble for you. You know go thank God for your life. You go see them. You go see the raise alarm. So men they talk more than a woman. So men can nag. Waiting go they come out for some men mouth, eh? My dear sisters and brother where they wash me. You go even hold your head say this one a man. Tomorrow now those one fair wrong come and say no good woman they not get character. You as a man you don't know say man they get character. Una gonna say Bible say woman submit to a man unto a man. Do not na the first verse una they read. Una not they read the second verse where both of you should submit unto each other. Una they forget that one. Woman must be under you. Anywhere they go, you go take permission. You as a man, you want to come up for us. You not tell your wife say where you they go. In case if they ask her, say where my husband tell me saying they go this place. At the end of the day, what you say make the answer for you go lost for that side now. You go lost. I not see her. They not go fit kill her. Now everything I take the carry shoulder. I be man. You be man, do you do as one? If you do as one, you will not remind a woman that you are a man. If you behave as a man, you will not remind that woman. That woman will always know that this is a man and living with a man. You don't need to remind her. We dey make a very big mistake where we not go fit handle. If you see some men today, the way they take they insult their wife, it won't make me vomit. As a day man body, na so a day woman body. Waiting be our problem. At the end of the day, we go say we want good home. Good home is hard work. Work and maturity. Wisdom. That is how to make a good home. You want to marry, you are a single man, single woman out there. How did you prepare? What be your preparation? How you get reserve rich? How you go fit in handle wells? How you go fit in handle matter? How? Wetin be our problem? Impatient. Na be man and woman problem. We no wan submit for each other. We dey raise our shoulder so high. We dey raise am so high. We no wan submit at all. Wetin be our problem? Na both man and woman I come talk to today. Wetin be our problem? Some man go see even see woman wey dey good. He go do everything by everything wey he want say make he stay marriage, but you go push her out. You no go value her. Wetin be our problem? The advice when I come give all of una today. Stop to dey bomber that man, bomber to bomber. Stop to dey control am. Na him marry you, no be you marry am. He pay your bride price, no be you pay you. Even though na you even pay for yourself, respect am, because na him name na still dey your head. No dey control am, no dey tell am wetin he wan do, no dey tell am where he go go or where he no go go. No dey tell am which call he wan answer or which call he no wan answer. Some people go enter some men life today. You go make am turn to the enemy of his family. Shame on you out there. You are a disgrace of a woman. Because I come to remind you, my dear sister, whatsoever you sow, you will reap. Any man that married today, you can't say me your wife forget, say you no come for family. Shame on you out there. Because whatsoever you sow, you go born. No, your pikin, your in-law go still do you the same thing. We should be very careful of what we are doing. You stop your husband not to answer his mama call. You stop your husband not to answer his brother call. But when you come know, say, if to say those people no trainer, you no go call a husband today. Or you will be woman out there. You dey disturb your brother wife. You dey disturb your sister husband. Be careful. Be careful. Because whatsoever you sow, you will reap. Not because. Not just prayer. But one thing you need to know, maybe that woman go church tomorrow. You know, let her get peace. You know they give her peace. Or maybe pastor just they pray. Anybody will be stumble block for your life. Today their life will end. Hey, my sister, my brother, mother-in-law, father-in-law. If she answer, say, amen. Your life don't finish you. Your life don't finish. We need to be careful for what we dey do for this life. Some men go marry una daughter to do, no go give that man peace. Una go dey bomber na to bomber. That marriage no go fit stand. It no go fit stand. Una go dey carry una children or husband till they go babalawo, go native daughter, make you not get peace with his wife, or make you not feel stay with his children, make you not take care of his children. Be careful, mother-in-law. Be careful, sister-in-law. Be careful, father-in-law. Remember, say God of innocence go fight one day. Una be careful. Anything wey una dey do wey be evil, una be careful. Una go dey fear. Now make me title this message say, concentrate of what important, something that is important, and leave those that is not important. You go dey fear say your pikin marry, he no go remember me again. Oh, my pikin don marry. Oh, that house where he be wan build. Oh, he no go build am again. Oh, my pikin don marry. Oh, he no go send money to me again. Mama, may I ask you? Papa, make I ask you. You not marry. If you not marry, you go born that daughter. If you not marry, you go born that son today. Now so your mama, now so your mama give you, maybe where give you sleepless night. Now so people where born you give you sleepless night. Now make you feel born that boy. Now make you feel born that woman. Muna look here, eh? Muna look here. People will call yourself mother-in-law, father-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, uncle-in-law. Make una look here. You born pikin, you don't train her. So I'm gonna tell you, say, you know how much I take trainer. Not be your responsibility before. You want make the woman become trainer for you, or you want make the man come trainer for you. Not be your born pikin, you don't know, say you go trainer before. You want leave the baby to yourself, say, they make you not marry. Because say you trainer. Because say na so your family na do to you. Make you not take time. My brothers and sisters, help me to share this message. Invite somebody to this message. It's very important. Because a lot of home they break today because of our parents back home. The mama no let her marry. Both man and woman, they go, they fight them bomber to bomber. You can see, say, waiting, they supposed to laugh, put, you go turn to quarrel. You go turn to enemy. So women did this abroad today, and they don't turn their face. They're not green marry again. They are not useful to their life anymore. Just because you know one make they bring money come from now. Some problem where they happen for marriage today, not be their eye. Now people back home, now they use them till they turn to enemy. Make una be careful. Make una be careful. Wetin be una problem? Wetin be una problem? Make una be careful. Una always be some women. Una will throw away una children. They fire up their cools, they go. You want do slave mama. May they see you for social media saying that you there on top. You not go take care of your children. Your children, they nothing to take care about. You don't know whether your husband go eat. Husband go come back for work. Now you can't cook by yourself. Because you say you there on top. My dear sister, look here. Remember saying that money we dey, so evening go come. Evening go come. Sometimes more with the shame. Because some women, what you now they do not be disgrace. Now they disgrace women. Now they disgrace women. If you never ready to marry, no marry at all. No marry at all. If you know, say you never ready. If you know, say you don't want face battle with their marriage. My dear sister, stay in your house. Let person wait ready. Me marry. Help me share this message. Invite people to hear it. A lot of things they happen for Issa house today. A lot of things they happen. You go leave your husband. Go the waka, they go. At the end of the day, you go get mind. Continue to cook for this man. You be devil. You want to destroy life. Your husband commit adultery. You say you want pay him back. You go see say you want go do. You are stupid. You are not wise at all. If you are wise, you will know this our body is a temple of our Lord Jesus Christ. Is our private. By the time you open it, it's no longer a private anymore. It's a public. Women wanna talk, so una want revenge. Una want revenge. You know, come turn to stupidity for una. You go come turn to say, una not gonna know una self again. Una not gonna get sense of reasoning anymore. Because say you want revenge. You can't remember say you be woman. You can't remember say, hey, Bini use a main parable say, or we Allah lo se, we Allah lo se ve boom. Goat If you give am bag of salt today, how many go feel leak for the bag of salt? You remember say you be man. You want swim for inside water the way where the man take dey swim for inside water. You call am say na revenge and na stupidity to you. You forget say na woman dey carry belle, not be man dey carry belle. You forget say na woman that they call am prostitute, don't be man that they call am prostitute. You disgrace women, you make women not to have value anymore. Because say you want revenge. Because say you dey reign. Women are not proud anymore that I'm in the husband's house. That's why when they grow, they come. If you see woman where their husband has, that year where you go even take year am alone, the kind cold way go enter your body. But nowadays where we dey, how the thing take they play. If you even tell man say you their husband, he go ask you say my sister now you first start on. Because of some shameful and disgraced women out there. Una leg una no fit cover am. I don't know what una dey find for life. The day you say you want marriage, even though na garri you see, you bear with your husband. If you know you cannot bear, don't even try it. You as a woman, you don't marry. You see the thing as you want to build that. That is the thing that lets you to do rubbish. You sell yourself out for money. For how long? We will continue in sin for the grace of God to abide. For how long we will continue in our stupidity, our shame and disgrace for the grace of God to abide? For how long? I'm so sorry. Hello? Hi. Guten Tag. Was? My dear, we need to be very careful of what we do. You are using your life and your children's life for game. You dey play game because say you want join group. Group where they reign or top group you want join now. You dey use your marriage till they play. See our men, the way we not this, with the way we not mess them up. They not reach anything anymore because of your character. You can't remember, you can't forget the power where you carry as a woman. You can't forget that you as a woman, you are powerful. Your blessing made that home to be blessed. If only man can do it, God will not still so low to create a woman. We are the helper. It makes us to be helper. A woman, as 1 minute, a woman can do 100 things because it makes us to be helper. It makes us to build this man. It not say me we can't destroy them. He knows say they no fit do it alone. Then he make us, then they create us say me we can't help them. He knows say me we can't destroy them. Some women have destroyed a lot of men, even to death. At the end of the day, you they raise your shoulder, they go say you be woman. You can't forget say this life it be like circle, it they turn around. You can't forget that one. Please help me share this message. You can't forget, say you dey under man. You forget. My dear brothers and my dear sisters, I can't announce to you, no matter what a man do, no be when you go take pay him back with evil. Leave on to God. God know the way we take the answer people. Because of dollar, because of pants, Because of hero, we don't use and destroy many homes. We don't use and destroy many men today. They not get valued. They not get. How you as a woman, you go come out in the night, go do the rubbish thing. You go still come back home, come cook for man. You will call the other one. You call the other one. Wait, let me plug it. It's just off. I'm sorry, let me take charger and plug this one. You call this one. God. I'm sorry, I don't even know that phone will off so soon. I'm tired. Let me plug it, I'm coming. I write number there, then I off the phone. Not mind me, Jare. I'm so sorry, my lovely people. Let me plug it. Don't mind me, oh. The thing off. Please, our women. I know say man they do something wey they hurt us too much. But that one no me say we can't use our children life they play gamble because of that man. We no use our children life they play gamble. You know say the time when you feel say you want to wicked that man, now you go to wicked your children. You don't know. That one be the thing where you supposed to know. Now that one ain't be the thing where you supposed to know. It's too much for our women. It's too much. Muna they close una leg. Muna they close una leg for the sake of your children. Close your leg. Go and walk. Go and walk. They see cleaning work. They see you. They see different things. You don't want go school. You don't want work. You feel say now this your body ne be everything. No be him. Your body no go feel be everything. Some women too, they no fit do anything at all. You just feel say now only that your body you go fit to do everything where you want to. You can't remember say God say one man, one woman. You can't remember say God say me with the marry with our virginity. You can't forget that one. You can't forget that one. Because of Europe money. Because you want make dollar. You want build house where you don't want stay. You go they open your leg for everywhere. Waiting they pay me months where they cry for. Now it be say women no get respect again. We no fit talk for public. If you want to call the line is on now, you can call. It's on now, you can call. Women no get respect again. We doesn't have value anymore. Because of say our character. It's no good at all. It's very bad. My dear lovely women. May we the men waiting we they do because of God. May we the men waiting we they do because of God. May we they remember say God they exist. May we they remember that one. If no be any other thing for the sake of our children. Hello, my lady. God, good afternoon. God bless you, darling. Okay, you are free. Wait. Yes, let me put it on speaker just for a minute, please. There is call. My lady, please, just for a minute, let me answer this one because this is direct. I will put you on speaker. Just be there. Hello? Call Jay. Me ya Jay. Call. Okay, problem me. Real live video. You what? Who tell me later one? Okay, darling. Hello, my lady. Go on. Go on. God bless you. I'm so sorry. Yeah, go on.
Okay. I greet the house, so good afternoon, everyone.
God bless you, darling.
So, my lady, due to what you are talking about, you make one statement. That make me call you when I want to ask. You say, for what you talk, you say many women, they don't destroy men life for this country. So, I want to come in, may I ask, say, how women they destroy men life for the country? What did they do with them? How that is, I don't know how to put it. The waiting hard, that is the way they take they destroy men life. I want me really throw picture to it, man. I know what you use that word me.
Okay. Do you want to stay online or I should continue?
Yeah, I'm online, I'm hearing you.
Okay. Wetin make woman take destroy man life? I'm talking to a married woman, the one where they pay money for her head, not be baby mama. The one where they pay money for her head. You as a married woman, one say you don't marry. That thing where they call marriage. You not supposed to open your leg for another man. Because if you try him, that man life don already destroy already. And another thing wey still make me say women destroy men. You go see say some men today they behave like mumu. Why I talk like that? Sorry for that word when I use for men is not my thing. Because you go see say some women today self-confidence. That's the reason I titled this topic say they do wetin dey important and leave the one wey no dey important. You go see say some women today they go take their husband name to native daughter. They go take their husband pint or anything to native daughter just because say they wan hold this man to their self. And this thing now come dey use for the man. Even if the man dey public self, people go even know say this man wife don spoil am. Now that reason I make me talk say some women then destroy men life. Did you understand it now?
Yeah, okay. Well, let me just say one or two words. The reason why I ask this question because I believe everybody that is watching, they are still listening to us. Because all this maybe that they destroy men life, and it get why many women to go to that extent. Like, let me start. There's 2 points that you are giving me. These 2 points, they go to husband house, they sleep outside. Now, that one is abomination to start with. Like women, married women, we don't really marry. We don't really marry. Then, for your husband behind, that is the husband don't know anything about it. The woman go come out, go to sleep with another man. That one is abomination. Okay? Now another way around, let me want to tell you, see some women, sometimes it's not their fault. You are as a married woman, you there with man for house, and the man call himself a married man, and he's a responsible one as that. He wife not go fit carry back. Say he want go road work, say he want go work, come bring that money for his husband, make it the thing. Because many men, they know where that money is coming from, and they know that money is abomination. Based on their liability, based on they are not man enough, based on they accept, make their woman go outside, go bring the money come. So they know that is, you know, if you talk say that kind of thing, they destroy the man life. No. Now the man using her destroying life. Not be the If now some women now say, okay, my husband not dey satisfy me, well, may I go hide too. Without that man not really know, the man not sent down and they do and hide. Now all those one, I mean, I go help you swear for say what they are doing is wrong. But same woman, their husband has. Now your husband even help her find where she for the work. The husband know say now when the wife they go outside, they go they bring money come. That kind of man, if life not better for her, you know if you say now the wife, now the man, now using her spoil his own house. You understand me? Because a man will be real man. How can your wife carry bag? Where what they say they go? More this is here. Where the woman what they say they go? You want to go work money come. When you are a man enough, you can take care of your home. My sister, more Urbanasa, it's truth now. That can one me, I'm not the blame the woman. Now the man be the other your way there. Because you are not a man enough. You know if you say your wife go road me or may go sleep with any Oyibo, whether the woman go Oyibo, they go road work or all not the same abomination. That kind of ask me what take better for her. You understand? So the second part of it say maybe they see they use juju to the whole man. Yes, many women they have that kind of character. Many women they get that kind of character. Some of them do even they go to the extent that maybe they'll go even wash private parts water
they cook for their husband.
Based on they just want that man to be for them.
But my sister, my darling sister, did you know that when you do that, anytime where that thing take clear for that man high. Now you go here so say they'll send some men kill their wife, but we not really know waiting day. We make and take it because the vaccination where you can't dey body, frustration where you can't dey body, now you go make and lead to that thing where take kill her.
My dear sister, may we talk the truth. What me I see for the matter? Woman not just carry the wash in private part they give man. Why they talk this thing there? Does he say, oh, she don't start? I will talk my own. Men, may I use this opportunity, this platform, still tell you something. Whatever you know you cannot eat, better don't start it. Because some men, if they know woman, they go pretend, they go do this one. Later, when they get all the bone put, the man go come bring different character out.
Please help me to share this video as you call me. Share, and invite someone. Go on, my lady. I'm hearing you.
For them not to be a single mother, they want to do to keep that man for themselves.
But one thing I have to tell you, there is nothing that you will do that will make you. A man that doesn't want to stay with you, he will never stay with you. For how long you will continue to renew? You go renew every day. How long? You know, say that man high go still clear one day go wrong. Why be say you know go your live and make it go?
Okay, that is the reason why likewise the way you don't want to be a single mother, many women don't want to be a single mother, so they want to do to keep the man for themselves. So men, women as they get forth now, some men too they get forth. Okay? So you know for you do like slow poison, enter woman life. At the end of the day now, you can see say the man go come they misbehave, you don't want to stay with the woman again, the woman don't go give her. So please, men, you guys should be careful. And women are bad. All this is one they do no good. When I know they go far to that SL now, go they wash private part, now go they use juju to just tie the man to yourself. There's no call for my dear people. I beg every one of you. There's no call for. If man no need to now go they use body till they find now. Now one you speaking say whole lamb.
Thank you for saying that word. You see, say some men they don't need relationship. They don't want. Now we women they use our body, our money. We go take find now.
Okay, you as a man, if you know say you don't want marry woman, no tell her say you want marry her. No promise her marriage. No they sleep with her like that because so many relationships for this Europe we know say now boyfriend and girlfriend them elected they come for this Europe. Me you know. Now few people say maybe they don't marry before they born. Many of them they don't born many before they say they want marry. Pikin don't enter the relationship before they say they want marry. So you as a man, if you know say you just go there go do chop and clean mouth, my dear brother. Just arrange yourself where you know say the girl no go get belle, so that if they want come out, you go free. Let me say you go give the girl belle finish at the end of the day, you go say you don't want to, and the girl want to. The girl go want to take you won't do anything by all means to take hold the man may not live for her.
My sister not be by force.
No
Now relationship.
Listen to me, my lady. Listen. Not the mistake what they make. Not the cow say not be by force. You as a man, you go touch woman. You know say you don't want marry her. You they use marriage say they follow the girl, or the girl they do follow you. And your mind you know say you don't want marry her. The pikin don't call you go say you want leave her. You as a man, if you know say you don't want marry woman, play the kind game of you don't want marry her with her. Now don't the real fact. You know what I want you use ordinary body till they call them. When pikin don't come and make the relationship pikin don't enter, you want to abandon the pikin, then what is that to single mother? So men should be careful. That is just it. Women should be careful. Not be all man where you don't follow, now you they carry belly for. They're too they get fault. Mostly women. Because pikin not the smell follow man. Now women they smell.
Now they smell follow. Now you say the right thing.
When you just come your way, now you go just want to say, okay, you must pump. Be very careful.
You see some women today now. Some women to
women now, they're not there is nobody they respect them again because of their character. Any bus stop on a reach now one bump. You guys should be careful with women. You don't know whether the boy now every word when man tell you now they believe. Now every word when man just come we just come to you just say you just say you 100 words, then you will just take her. You know the reason.
No, they're not the reason.
They bring problem for this Europe. They want just any man where they don't date, they want bump. Please, the women, you guys should be careful, and the men too, you guys should be careful. I beg every one of you, because all this is a problem for between the men and the women. The women can't do anything by anything to tie the man down, and the process where they use is very wrong.
Very wrong.
When they wash all those kind of things, they do juju,
they do everything. Man go they eat. Man go they eat. He don't know what they eat. He go they eat. He don't know what they eat. You go see them now. All of them can't do belly like a goat we drink bad water. And we no one movie.
You as a man, if you know say you are not ready to marry the woman, not the promise heaven on earth. More this is here. Men know the promise heaven on earth. Because that way you do rich, the girl no one allow you to go. So everybody should be careful. When you know you don't even like person, don't even go near her. Because pikin go come. So let me leave you. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, my darling. God bless you.
Thank you very much. God bless you for this topic.
Thank you very much. My sisters, most especially my sisters, my lovely and beautiful sister out there, not their spirit. If you want man when you want marriage you don't need to do heaven and earth. You don't need to kill yourself because say you want marry. And not be all the relationship where you enter, now you go bomb put. Now they cause this kata where we did today. You can't see say so fight. Even as some people, police you can't even know them. If they even call, go say, I don't call again. Man no love you, go they force yourself. You go they force yourself. We go do it today. You go see some women and they get 5 children, 6 children, 7 children for one man. Bet the man not grip put money for your head. You not can ask yourself. A man will really love you. Do you need to force him? Do you need to beg and say me go put money for your head? You need to beg him. Or now you want to see they call one ojuju man say, or you they call prophet. Una come they do fasting and prayer. Oh, kata. My husband won't put money for my even Baba God where you they pray for. He go even they look you, they laugh. You can't force her to the river. You can't force it to drink water. You force and make you born for her by force. But you not go feel force and make it do the normal thing. Una they live for isa sin, isa adultery. You wait born for man out there. You they call on your husband. You they give him title where you not supposed to give him. At the end of the day, you go say your husband go shit on you. No, me I tell you. Please share this video. Let everybody see him. Make I tell you, your husband no shit on you. All of una they shit on each other. In fact, una they shit on God. Because the only woman we go for use and natural say my husband shit on me, now be the one where they do the right thing for his head. You go first use and natural say my husband. Now let the one they call husband, God will be honored. Not be we where they live inside sin. No, I not count myself for inside. I say we that they always they put myself. Many people not all say that she then they better. I not count myself for I be Mrs. Where they always they use that word say we. You know say our people. They'll come to say now so now she na better pass. Now make me they always they use our self we. We they inside the matter. Who not go way they see. We go say they use that. Some people go even they fight where you know say you know they on your right. Where you know say now our husband. Where you know say that man see the search for. Anybody where you put money for your hair today. You know me say you go get 7 children for man and make you get right over them. You don't get right. Any woman where you married today, even though that woman you know born one for he married that woman. Now that woman they get husband. Now you be the second. Now you they follow that woman, they drag husband. Maybe they correct ourselves, maybe they correct our mistake. I know say truth, they very bitter. My dear sister, open your ear, no verse. If you hear this matter, no verse, but correct the sense way there inside. Correct them. We make single mothers, single fathers full everywhere. Because of our mistake. Because say we they force ourselves, say we must do. The man say no, you go say yes. The man go say no, we go say yes. Now be the problem today. Now make if that man want come up for us, your heart go to do like this. My dear sister, as you see Mrs. Wambudiko, so you know she say I say fine. Ever young. You know see as I dey beautiful. Now me want go live my beautifulness. Me I come dey cry say oh, my husband don't come up for us today. Oh, he not great come back. Oh, he not great come back. Me say that side down, but I don't vex. The way would I be? I never see she say take care of my children finish. My husband go dey hear me now. He knows. He even they cry, say everything I go they talk, say children, not take care about. I not be say I not care about you, my lovely husband. My sweetheart, my sweet honey. But now that children I be first. Now that children I make me to be a woman. No go care about something, you go they cry. Hey, my husband don't come on. My husband don't come on. So women say they no go feel cook for their children because say that they find their husband bomber to bomber. You go they wear trousers, they follow and go work now. You go wear trousers, go follow and buy. In fact, make it make some men. My lady talk and just now say some men no want work. Some men want work because of self-confidence. Because say our women they don't trust themselves. Now made them they lock that man for his house. They will say they don't want me go carry another woman out there. Now some of our women. Now destroy our men, I'm still saying. Now some of our women, now make that man stay house. I have a lot of story back then when I was in Italy. Long time ago. If they say make that man go do choro, he go say, how much should they get for choro? No worry, sit down for us. I'll they pay your husband. I'll say they give you 1,500 euro every month. You they say that kind of one for choro. You don't go allow that man work. You wait, don't tell that man make you not work. You can't say you want to marry that kind of person. Now because you go see the fire, they go for outside. Because you don't already take that man. The man in that man, you don't take her away. Now woman body you can't give her. Because you not gonna get confidence again to work. And I will still use this one to advise all women out there. Now their husband be everything. The husband go wear pikin pampers. Husband na want cook. Husband na want wash house. Husband na want go do spacer. You can't feel say make that man get confident to work. No. You know if you get confident to work because why? Work where woman they do. You don't already give them. Make it they do for his house. You not gonna believe himself again. Now he did that whether he be woman or man. Because the man we God take give and that ego we God give and you don't come out away. You go there inside bed. Now your husband go get up, cook for your children in the morning. Now your husband will go drop your children for school. Now your husband will go pick them come. Now your husband they want cook for children. Now your husband want wash us. Now your husband want do everything. My dear sister, you are a disgrace. You are not a mother. You are not a woman. You are a disgrace. Man, they help woman. Not be saying man, not they help woman. Don't get me wrong. My husband help me. If he come back for work, if he see say I dey do anything, they help. Not be say I go you come do and say na duty. He must do it by force. No. You go call some women today. You go call some women today. The next thing when they will tell, hey, no worry. I go send my husband to you. My husband will come collect her, my dear. I go they ask them, say, who's God doing for them? Who be that Baba God who is doing for them? Where they feel they use their husband ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. They go they send a message like say, nah, their husband ain't go here. No, I no get me wrong. Man, they help woman. But sometimes if they pass, be careful for some women. Man go dey house so they no go fit do anything. How you go work? How you go do anything? When you as a woman, you don't turn out a woman for his house. Eh? My God. Our women may with the suffering. Don't I know they cause madness? So. May we remember say where we they come for. May we remember say we get tradition. We they use ourselves to they compare Europe people. My dear sister, don't use yourself to compare them because we cannot be like them. They get their culture. We get our culture. Our culture to make us to know, say, man, now then get authority over our life. Before your husband could come, may I tell you how you want to get good home. Not the jealous people wey with the husband wear better clothes, they laugh, that they sweet. As if na me be you, I go near that woman say, my dear sister, how you take one? How you take one? You don't know the hard work where that woman they work. You just did there, you dey jealous. My dear sister, I won't beg you. It's not for you say you want use man like a toy that will make man to fear you. Even God vex for you for that one. He dey vex for you for that one. A message to me again. Una, when they stay inside house, una they do boy, they follow una wife. Una not forget say una not dey front of man, una dey the back of man. Una not be man. In fact, woman even better pass una. Not be me one cause una o. I get boy, I get husband. I no get right to cause una. But God don't cause una by herself. Lazy me una go work. That hand God gives you now, una take work. A man that doesn't have work, a man that doesn't have income, you're not supposed to marry, because if you marry, you be liability to that woman. How you want marry, say you don't get anything where you do? How you want marry, you want get children, you want the way for government, say that government go feed your children. Are you not a disgrace? Government where you they talk, they not be mad like you. Not be mad like you, not be government. You go dey fight for children money. You go hold bancomat. You are ashamed, shame on you. Go and work. You go see white people today, 5 o'clock in the morning. Go outside, you go see the way they take the run bomber to bomber. They want mystery. No, our men, they dance as level. Man, see they do like this. Oh, disgrace. You're not supposed to be a man. You are a disgrace. If people, they call, say man, not call yourself, come out. You're not supposed to be a man. They carry be belle, they go. They wear clothes, maybe they go party. Maybe they give you name. And even name you well, boy. Well, now women no go out, go work. And even name you are born. Eh? You know give. You want make woman give you back. Are you not ashamed? Are you not a disgrace? You are a disgrace, my brother. It's not too late, and you can still correct it. Go look for work so that you go regain your respect. Go and look for work. May you regain your respect. May you know whether that woman not go follow you again. May you know whether that woman not go respect you. May you know whether if they give that woman any money, whether you go open in leg, may you take. And you as a woman out there, you say you don't want to carry your hair come down. You say you want to be on top. My dear sister, they know they buy love. Your money no go buy love. You go only stay for a while. The day where that money go finish, you go. Me, I sing for now before I come out. My beautiful women now I see for. Oh, no ma go da we ye go le love you boga. Vona mie, vona saobo. Oh, negi money me we ye go le love you boga. Vona mie, vona saobo. Vona mie, vona saobo. Vona mie, vona saobo. Oga we go we me body nine e love you. Umami oga suwabo. Gegi ti ebono ga o wa ene love you suwabo. La wo gunyi me yado. Okwo no ma gwa da we ye gwa le love you boga. Vona mie, vona saobo. Vona mie, vona saobo. Vona mie, vona saobo. My lovely people, I love you now. Please, my lovely women, try to hold your home very well. Guard it with a prayer and respect. Okay? I love you all. Until we see next time. God bless you. Please, if you come across this video later, help me to share and invite somebody. Please always follow me. Just press like button anywhere that anytime that I'm aboard. It will be notified. God bless you all. Until I see you next time. I love you all. Try to be a good woman. Try to be a good man. Try to be a lovely woman. Try to be a lovely husband. God bless you. Until we meet again. Remember, this is Mrs. Nwambudike 1. God bless you. Bye bye. Until we meet again. I love you.